So ma'am, may chance bang mangyari yung sinabi ng isang senador, Robin Padilla, sabi niya, tungkulin daw nila sa minorya na umopose, kaya nga the opposition Exactly yun ang kanyang words na ginamit. Pwede bang mangyari yun na magbotohan yung senador? Ayaw namin ng impeachment. Mas marami kaming umaayaw. Pwede bang mangyari yun?
So we respect Senator Robin Padilla, no? But in the absence of reason, of basis, why the impeachment court should not be convened, I think it will be very difficult to understand why they will move not to convene. Dapat, ilatag muna nila, ano bang dahilan? Kung ang Supreme Court nga, to this date, they're not issuing TRO, they're not issuing an injunction. He should give us opportunity to hear first. Ano bang dahilan nyo why you are against convening the impeachment court? Because his reason, na just because they are opposition, they will be going against convening the impeachment court or going against the impeachment. That's very difficult to understand. This is a political exercise. What is at stake is the best interest of the sovereign Filipino people.
Medyo hindi ko narinig yung isang word na binanggit nyo. Ano binanggit nyo? We expect o we respect? Yung paliwanag ni Robin.
I respect Senator Robin, but his statement is quite difficult to understand in the absence of reason or basis why we should not proceed to convening the impeachment court.